Hi guys, I'm doing a review of this electric kettle by the brand Aicok, and this is a really nice one. I have two different electric kettles from two other brands, but this one is by far the most amazing one I've got. The best facility which I liked in this is the temperature controls. You can set the temperature as per your wish. You can have it at 160 Fahrenheit to 212 Fahrenheit. Then you have the start button, keep warm button, and the set buttons right here. It holds up to 1.7 liters, and this right here is almost translucent, so you can see the water inside, how much it is. The handle does not get warm, it stays cool enough for you to hold it. It comes with a user manual, so it is pretty much everything, whatever you need to know, it's right here. Let me just show you how this works. I've already plugged this in, and this is the stand. I can fill in water from here. You can see over here I'm filling in the water. So once I've filled the water in, I can close the lid and press the start button. Now I can keep it at different temperatures. I can press the set button and decide at which temperature which I want. So I'm going to select 160 Fahrenheit, and I can hear this already starting up. So you can see it has started heating it. The start button has an indicator, a red backlight in it. So the red light here, it's on, and for 160 Fahrenheit, the red light here, this is on. So let's just wait for the water to heat up. Now you can see the start button, it's turned off, which means the water has boiled, and now I have the temperature which I want. And in case I want the water to remain hot, I'll just press the keep warm button, and this will keep the water warm. This is a really nice product, and especially because of the function which I can set the temperatures, I really like this. It's quick, it's fast, it's very easy. I hope you like the video. Thank you for watching.